In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make Google Docs one long page. If you've ever found yourself frustrated with the constant page breaks while working on a project, whether it's a detailed report or a creative manuscript, this tutorial is just for you. By switching to a pageless format, you can seamlessly scroll through your document and focus on your content without any interruptions. To start, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Google Docs. Once you've accessed the Google Docs website, go ahead and open the link to take you to the home screen. If you haven't already logged in, you'll need to do so at this step. Simply enter your Google account credentials, and you'll be all set to start. Now that you're logged in, take a look at the top menu bar. You'll notice a number of options there, so what you want to do is click on the File menu. This will open up a drop-down menu with various options for managing your document. From there, you'll want to select Page Setup. This is where you'll find all the necessary settings to change the layout of your document. Upon selecting Page Setup, a dialog box will appear, offering you a selection of different tabs. Here, you're going to choose the Pageless tab. This feature is a game changer because it removes those pesky page breaks, allowing your document to flow continuously. After selecting Pageless, don't forget to click OK to apply these changes to your document. This simple action will transform your document into one expansive page. With your document now in a pageless format, you might want to take a moment to adjust your view for optimal comfort. To do this, look towards the View option in the top menu. Here, you have a variety of options to choose from under Text Width. This feature allows you to adjust how wide the text appears on your screen, making it easier to read and navigate through your document. Switching to a pageless format not only makes scrolling through your document smoother, but also gives you the freedom to lay out content in a more flexible manner. Especially useful for larger documents, this feature helps maintain your focus on the content rather than the presentation. Remember, you can always switch back to the traditional page layout if you find it more suitable for printing or sharing in formats that require page numbers. And there you have it. Your document is now one long, continuous page. I hope this simple yet effective change enhances your workflow and improves your overall experience while using Google Docs. Keep experimenting with the features available and find what works best for your needs. Thanks for watching, and happy writing.